Eto na. Gusto niyo ba ng something golden? Icon. Sabi icon and legends. So he came as himself. Let me call on Carlos, Yulo, and Chloe! Alam ko to. Hello, hello, hello! Hello, Chloe. Hello. Oh my God. God. A hero. You are a hero. Okay, so taka muna. Natutuwa ako na aliw ako kasi panahon ko to eh. Yung unang-unang movie na to, bata pa ako noon. Huwag natin pag-usapan yun. Baka hindi pa sila pinapanganak. So, talk me through your outfit. For those who, you know, explain nyo sa amin.
Yeah, ako, hindi talaga, Chucky.
Chucky.
Yeah.
Hindi yung chocolate drink, no?
No, not that one.
Ha? Yung mga iba dyan, Chucky chocolate agad. Chucky the doll.
Yes po. Actually, siya po talaga nakaisip na kung ano yung magiging costume namin. And gusto namin couple kasi.
Couple, of
And
course.
gusto rin po namin, like, marami yung parang mga anime yung mga
okay, yeah.
nagsusot tuwing Halloween. So, we want to, yung mga iconic na look po.
Pero alam mo ba, Carlos, icon ka din. On your own.
That's why, kinrap po talaga namin siya. Yeah.
Oo nga. Alam mo, baka mahamugang ka, malamig dito. How about you, Chloe?
Yes, of course, Bride of Chucky, Tiffany po.
Yes.
Yeah.
In fairness, achieve yung dalawa.
Thank you
Gusto ko kayong
po.
iuwi. Pwede ba
Yeah,
kayong tumayo
we're
dun sa-
free tonight.
Oh my God! Yes, of course, Chucky and his bride, Tiffany. Thank you so
Yay,
much for
thank you. No,
coming.
thank you.
Congratulations, Carlos. I wanted to just say this to you in person. You make us all so proud. Thank you, Chloe. Picture muna. Ayan. Ang cute-cute nilang dalawa. Nanggigigil ako sa sobra nilang ka-cute. Ako na ata ang pinakabuhay na kamatayan that you will ever see. With people like this, sharing the platform with these iconic people and beautiful people, creative people. This is just brilliant. Thank you so much. Wala kayong baterya, no? Wala naman kayong baterya? Walang baterya. Oo, batteries not included, guys.